Hi, it's Kitty. Welcome to today's video. Today I am unboxing Sparkle Hustle Grow. So this box is a little bit different than my other boxes, which tend to be pretty much all beauty, a couple fashion, maybe a couple for my cats, but this is for the female entrepreneur. So really just anyone, any girl boss, lady boss, which I think is all of us. Anyone who has a goal, this could work for it. I really think this helps me in life get more organized. And oh, hi Emmy. She's coming to play. She likes boxes. Seriously, whenever I get boxes, she just lays on them. It's so funny. She's like super possessive of my boxes over the other cats. If you follow me on Snapchat, maybe Instagram too, I might post that. I'm more active on Snapchat for some reason. I should be on Instagram stories more. But I'll post her sitting on my boxes that I got that day. But anyways, I'll stop rambling. So this starts off at $24.95, I believe. There's 2 or 3 different subscription options. And I love it. It comes monthly. It feels really heavy this month. And this is best business expense ever. So I guess if you have a business, you can write it off, which is cool. But anyways, I will get unboxing. Just wanted to remind you I have a giveaway going on that ends in about whenever this, I think 8 days from when this video will be live. So the 31st. Which is crazy that it's going to be September that soon. But I have a $500 500 subscriber $500 beauty giveaway, so the link will be below. And at the end of this video, I'll show you a sneak peek of some of the prizes, which I have been doing in all of my videos, besides one which I forgot, so sorry about that. But let's get unboxing. I can get it. Alright, so when you open it, it says, yay, it's here. And it has an information card with information on the products as well as pricing, which is nice. So each Sparkle Hustle Grow has online training that comes with it, which I used to not take advantage of. I don't know why, but now I'm really into taking online courses. I finished the one from last month, or 2 months ago, because last one was a webinar, which I missed out on, unfortunately, but I think there's a recorded version. But I did finish the one that was on vlogging, which was really good, and just starting a YouTube channel, which came at a good time because I started my channel really recently. Let's see what this month is. Or first, let's look at the theme. The theme this month is productivity. Perfect. I always need help, or always am looking for tips to be more productive. It says you will be equipped with tools, strategies, and training to make changes in both your personal and work life, resulting in increased overall productivity. Let's do this. Yes. And the August 2018 online training is called Powering Your Productivity with Panda Planner and Positive Routines. Love it. I'm all about positive vibes, positive thinking. And this is by Bailey Reagan. And this course will provide science-backed insights on what productivity, why can't I say that, actually means, how to increase productivity at work, how to be productive when times are tough, and how to take productive breaks and technological tools to boost productivity. A $300 value. Like, online courses are usually around $300. Like, I've looked into some, I'm taking one now that's not related to this, but I think there was a deal, but I think the original price was like $200, so this is a great value, and I'm excited because I'm always looking for tips to stay on my game, be more productive, because let's face it, like, sometimes I'm lazy. So this is awesome, and there's a link there, and you have to, I guess, use your email address for the box to be able to get it. But that's what that looks like. And then I see a piece of paper here. I'm guessing there's something in here from this company, TUL or Toll Experience Extraordinary. So this looks like fun pens. I love colorful pens. I hate writing in just plain colors. And then I see the first item is a jumbo cable catch. Oh, this is a good idea. So hold your cords. Like, I seriously get mine all tangled or the cats get into it. Let's see what this is all about. I like the color of this too. I'm really into blues. So this is Jumbo Cable Catch by Poppin. You can't be productive when your desk is a mess. Use this to organize all those cables. Ah, doesn't it feel good to get untangled? $9 value. So I like this. This is super cute, and I love the blue. It goes with a lot of things I have. Alright, then there's another piece of paper here that's a 20% off for journals. TF Publishing. Oh, I've heard of them. Yeah, I love planners and journals and stuff. I wonder if we're gonna get something in here from that then. And I think this is it. It says get it. This is so cute. Seriously, I live for this stuff. I make a list every day. I actually time block, and I've been doing that for a few weeks now, and it is so effective. Like, if I make to-do lists, I'm not as likely to do it as when I actually make a calendar, like, or not calendar, like times. Like, I do half-hour blocks, and usually I start at 8, even if I get up earlier. And my first thing is always like coffee, plan day, even though I kind of have an idea the day before and I just write down my blocks and I give myself some flexibility, but I really stick to it and I've been getting so much more done a day. So I love using things like this to write stuff down and just like jot down my day. Like I'm using a different notepad. I actually gotten a previous Sparkle Hustle Girl. So this is just, looks like a blank little notepad, which is awesome. Let's see, this is super cute too. I love it. So this is, where is it on here? Okay, the Daily Agenda plus Note Jotter by TF Publishing. Oh, there's something else in here by them. There's an open dated planner. Oh! So this is the notebook, and this is the Daily Agenda. This is perfect for what I was just talking about. Look at this. So AM and PM, and then there's like Monday, you can circle the day of the week. I think I've gotten something from them before in the past. This is seriously perfect for what I was just talking about. But seriously, if you are into lists and stuff like that, try time blocking or calendar blocking, whatever you want to call it. This would be perfect for that. I'm so excited. This is so cute too, and I love how this can fold over and you can mark your page too with that if you wanted. So now I'll finish reading now that I realize there's two things. So it says use the open dated planner to maximize your productivity, choosing how structured your plans will be for each day. Use the jotter to capture thoughts or lists quickly. $18.98 value. So I am super happy with this. This is like seriously what I need because I know I'm gonna use up the other notepad I've been using. Plus this works better with what I was talking about with the calendar blocking. So super excited. Put that over here. All right, and then, oh, I see one of those pens that was on that note card. This one is blue. I wonder if it writes in blue. I'll check in a second. So this is the Toll or TUL, I'm not sure how they go, gel ink pen, precision engineered and hand tested to deliver superior performance and so pretty. Available in a range of 14 brilliant colors exclusively at Office Depot, Office Max. Did they combine their stores? I thought they were two separate things, but it sounds like they're like one entity now. And this is $2.09, and it has one of those little balls at the end. Oh yeah, pretty blue. I'm excited. I love colorful pens. I don't think I have one this color right now. So I'm super excited about that too. See, like this stuff really helps you stay on track. Oh my god, cute. Look at the highlighter pencils. This is by UB 5-pack highlighter pencils. It's a pencil plus a highlighter, question mark? Yep. No messy liquid, but with the same highlighting effect. Use different colors to highlight categories in your planner, family, work, play, etc. for highlighting key ideas in your book or for prioritizing projects. Hashtag productivity hacks. $3.49 value. Oh, I'm super excited about this to use for what I was talking about. Now I can color code my activities. Yay. I'm such a dork. And then, oh my gosh, I was just saying I want to get... Sorry about that, my camera cut off again. Now that I'm filming daily videos, my card fills up really fast. But I was just saying that I am so excited. This book I almost ordered online maybe 2 nights ago, maybe even like, yeah, I think it was 2 nights ago. Because someone announced it as their book club of the month, and it's Amy from, she used to be like Sexy Savvy Social, but now she's Amy TV, I believe, on YouTube. I will leave her link below. But she has a book club of the month every month, and she mostly announces it on Instagram, but she's been a YouTuber for years, and she's really good with like productivity tips and all of that stuff and being like the best like lady boss ever. But she said this was the book of the month for her little book club, and I have wanted to read this, and I've been really trying to be a cleaner person. So this is The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. Did I say that yet? It's a Japanese art of decluttering and organizing, and I am so excited. It's like I thought these thoughts in that book just came to me. I'm so excited because I don't think this is coordinated in any way. Even though her book was featured 2 months ago. It was all about vlogging, which is really good. But yeah, I'm so happy. I'm gonna get started on this right away. I'm pumped. But I think that's everything. Let's see how much this book is. $16.99. So this is by Marie Kondo. This #1 New York Times best-selling guide to decluttering your home takes readers step-by-step through her revolutionary KonMari method for simplifying, organizing, and storing. Perfect for creating a productive environment in your office. I'm so excited. So yeah, what did we get? So we got the book. We had the $300 online training course, the gel ink pen, the daily agenda, and the note jotter. the highlighter pencils, and the cable catch. So I'm super happy with this month. I cannot believe I got the book I wanted. Like, I almost bought them. Glad I didn't. I mean, I could have just shared it with someone else. But anyways, I love this box. It really helps me stay on track with my goals and just being more organized in my life and business, everything. So I will leave a link below like always, and I won't forget this time. Okay, so the giveaway, like I said in the beginning, I'll show you some of the sneak peeks. So I grabbed 2 things today because these are like, they're not sample size, they're a little bit bigger, but they're like the mini version. So these are hair products today. So the first one is the Caviar Anti-Aging Anti-Frizz Blowout Butter. And this is what it looks like. And I've heard really good things about this brand. I haven't used this. It says it's for medium to thick hair and I have thinner hair, so I thought it'd be good to share with someone else who can get more use out of it. And also my hair's not too frizzy. So I've used other products by this brand, but I thought one of you would be able to use this more than I could. And then I think I talked about this pretty recently. It was in one of my recent boxes, I can't remember, maybe Walmart, but the Pantene Pro V, the foam conditioner, and I actually have the full size of this, and I got it from Influencer for free for a review. I'll leave a link for that below too if you're interested. I won't get into it, but it's a program where you get stuff sent to you for review when you and sharing on your social media channels. So the more you review things, the more likely you are to get samples or full-size things to review. So that's pretty awesome. So if you're into that kind of thing, I will link that below too. And I think that's everything for the day. So the 2 hair care sneak peeks, the awesome box. I can't want to go use these highlighter pencils right away. I can't wait to color code things now. But anyways, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow.